it's the other way.
No.
Hi guys. Hi guys, Haley here. Hi guys, so today we're going to make slime. And what you're going to be needing today is your glue. Yeah, your glue. Here's our glue. And your what is
Eye contact solution.
eye contact solution. And we have
Food coloring.
food coloring and your food coloring. And you have baking soda. And yeah. And we have shampoo. Wait. And we have our mixing bowls. Our mixing bowls. Let's check this out. What did I say? We have shampoo. And we have our mixing bowls. And this is. And we have our mixing togs. Well, what is this?
1 tablespoon.
Mom, it says we have our making talks. And our spoons. Our stuff. So our mom's just going to get us the stuff to make.
Spatula.
Spatula. So can I do the spatula? We're going to
You each one are going to do your own, okay?
Okay. This one. So this one. Yeah. This one. And so guys, let's get started. Yeah. So what you're gonna do first is get your glue. And then you're going to put it into your your bowl.
Just take off the thing.
Just take
Give it to me.
Mom, do we put all of it in? A bunch?
All of it.
Oh, this is gonna be. Oh, this is so big. Let me. This is so. Turn it. You want to make sure you put all of the glue and how much you have to put the glue
Mom,
of how much you want your slime to be.
Yeah.
Right?
A little bit here.
Yeah. That's my mom. Just put it like that. You know, stuff. Okay. That's all of it in, Mom. Okay. So.
Now you're going to put half a tablespoon, Haley, of baking soda. Half.
First baking soda?
Yes, half a tablespoon. This right here. This is baking soda.
Mom, do I drop it in?
Just drop it in there.
Just drop it inside.
Okay.
Now my turn. Half.
Mom,
Now you're going to put half a tablespoon
Take it out.
of baking
can you help me?
soda.
Yeah. Okay. What are you? Let me open it for you.
Okay.
Ooh, that's too much.
Yeah. Put some back in.
Like that? So one
Okay.
tablespoon. Half a tablespoon
Hold on. It has to be on the. You gotta measure it, Haley. Okay.
of baking soda.
Now, so contact lens.
Then you need to
Put some
add
on.
in your contact lens.
Put some on
Like how we were doing the glue.
in here.
All of this.
Oh,
All of
Fill
it.
it up.
Fill it up.
looks like water.
Go, 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 go. Yeah.
So you're going to add a
Throw it in.
tablespoon.
Yeah. Okay, Haley, start mixing.
So your solution. We would eye contact solution.
Mom, it's so gooey.
You can put a little bit. It's 1.5. So put another half. Okay. Throw that one in there. Now put another half.
Oh, it's so gooey.
Another, just half. Half.
Haley didn't put
I
it
know,
on.
she's gonna put it right now. Dale, 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 dale.
I know.
Mom, can you help me mix it?
Okay, now you, Marley. Haley, do another half. Haley.
Another half.
Half. Just half.
Throw it in there, Haley. Okay, now put your food coloring.
Then
Food.
we're going
Just 2 little drops, okay?
put
Is
it
for
on
yours? You're gonna mix it.
I'm gonna mix mine now.
Haley.
Haley's going to put it. Oh, it's gooey. So guys, that's how it should be looking.
Mine is gooey too. Not
Marley,
just
agarra lo bien from the bottom.
No, you're just going to mix and mix and mix.
How do you?
Just 2 little drops.
Whoa!
Let me help you. No, right here, just 2 drops.
Just two.
2 drops. Drops.
Ew.
One. Oh wait, it's close. Honey.
It's so gooey. Ew, gross. So guys, it should be looking so gooey.
Yeah, my sister's is more gooey. Mine is not.
Because you have to mix it good.
I
Okay, 2 drops.
Mom,
Go, mix it, mix it.
looks like blood.
Mix it.
I can't.
Oh,
Mom, looks like
2
blood.
little drops. You don't need a lot.
Mom, doesn't it look like blood?
Two.
There.
That was three.
It's okay. Mix it, mix it, mix it.
It's too hard.
Give me a spoon.
Sister, can you mix it? It's too hard.
No.
Here.
Thanks.
Haley, try to get it with your hand.
hard.
Try to get it with your hand now.
Yeah, it's too hard. Mine is starting
Here,
to.
let me try. Come on.
It's starting to be.
Come on.
You don't want to mix with my hand? Yeah. So guys, we added our food coloring.
I have it! Did you like my sister? Did you like my sister?
Whoa! Mine is turning into slime.
Oh, Haley, you let it. I think you left it too much. Oh. Now you're gonna hold it. Then you're gonna do this.
It's not much stretchy. Haley, just feel it. Feel it. It feels like slime.
Feel it.
Feel it.
Me too.
Mine needs more coloring. Excellent.
Yeah. Mom, do you want me to turn on the light up? Can I squish it?
Mine needs coloring.
Oh.
Yeah, shaving cream makes it more
So
stretchier
gooey.
and less stickier.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we know for next time. It was our first time making it, okay? So.
Mom,
Oh.
so giving.
Oh, yeah?
So I'm gonna have more
So we're already done. My sister's just putting some more coloring.
coloring because.
So here's our
Whoa.
here's our
Product.
So keep the comments to keep the videos to how you like to do a show of gooey stuff. Comment down below to see which part of it you get. Bye!
Hugo! Hurry!
Can I press it? Sister, can I press it?
You're just on the phone!
Look at guys.
I can see you!
So, bye
I
guys.
can't see it!
Down below in the comments.
Oh my
Bye.
God,
Bye.
nomás, todavía